Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel Bad Boy. As you guys can see, we are back with Minecraft. And so today I actually did some mining off camera. You guys remember when I built a strip mine down to level 12? Yeah. So you won't believe how many diamonds I found. Yup, 49 diamonds. Right over here in the middle. I found 49 diamonds. It took like almost 1000 years. And also for proof I got all of this cobblestone and stuff. It took a lot of time. Thankfully, for evidence, I actually recorded a few clips of me mining. I thought I'd make a full video, but I ended up recording clips of me mining. There are only 2 clips, but I'll make a whole separate video of it. So okay. So in this video, as you guys can see here, I've got if you guys can see in my inventory, I've got 44 stone bricks. Now what I want to do is I want to make myself a statue of me. I think oh no, wait. So I think maybe this part is nice. I don't have that much. Okay, let's just start from here. I don't have that much experience with building stuff, so yeah, it's gonna be tricky. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not 5. 4. 4 blocks tall is my leg, sort of. Now one, and now it's 1, then 2, and now I go ouch, and then I do this. Okay, nice, cool. So now what I have to do is build up a little bit more. Okay, nice. And now, how would this look if how would it look? Okay, maybe I like build over this up a little high, where like my chest and stuff is there, and then I'm going to build my head and my legs and my arms. I definitely need a lot more stone bricks. Yeah. Okay, I think this is tall enough. And then we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 long arms. So same for here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Now that that's done, I think we have to now get the head. I'll be amazed if it'll be done in 44 stone brick only. Wow. Okay, so now we have to make the head. This kind of not that tricky. Let's build the neck first. 3 block high neck, and then scaffolding will be great, but badly I don't have cobblestone, bamboo. Okay. And now I have to go up. So 1, 2, 3, and now I need more stone bricks. Wow, which is very large. Okay, wait. Let's see from here. Oh, yeah. This can take some adjustments. Okay, so guys, as I'm speaking right now, my cobblestone is getting smelted as I speak. So when this is going to take quite a while, what I think I am going to do is, I don't think I'm going to even do anything. I'm going to sit here and wait until this is over. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys the whole thing of me waiting. I'm just going to wait off cam and then see. Okay, just wait. 6, 7, 8. Okay, we can make our first 2 bricks. Crafting table. Now we can make our first 2 bricks. Okay, so now I'll just wait all this while till my bricks are smelting. So see you guys later. Okay, so I just realized that I'm obviously not going to be waiting till all this cobblestone is smelted up. So I'm just going to make as many stone bricks as I can. I'm going to make it now 28. And I ran out of stone. So let's go continue. Sheep, get out of my way. Thank you. First, I don't have a saddle, but I'm going to tame you. Okay, now the problem is how to get on top. have to use good old wood. Yep. Good old wood. Okay, let's build up, children. Okay. We're just building up. Oh wait. Okay. So this is how many? 3 blocks high. 3. I think 3. I think 4 is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I should have not done that. Okay. Oh my god. Get that. Okay, that block. Nice. Now the head is completed. I'm pretty sure. Now if we break this block and break a few more blocks down, I think now this is good and all, but now we need black wool actually, or white wool can do good too. Let's just make it like this, then like this, and then okay, nice, cool. So I have an idea of okay, this is okay, nice. Okay, nice. Wait, I don't want to wait all this while. So okay, nice. That was random, but okay. So I just saw sheep over here. I'm going to kill it, and my eyes are going to be white. It's not Herobrine, by the way, but just yeah. Oh no, sorry, your horse. Sorry, horse. Let's look at that. Like if you come in front, you can see how nice my statue is. But then when you like my statue is good and all, but when you come behind, it looks like he's pooping wood. It's elementary. Okay. Do you have gold? 0 gold. Nice. How much stone is melted? Oh, nice. 28. Okay, let's go to sleep. It's clearly night time, but I don't know. Okay, nice, done. Now let's go to sleep. Okay, nice. Day 65,000 is done in Minecraft. Now let's eat cooked chork pork. Let's eat cooked chork pork. Oh, okay, nice. I don't know why I said nice, but yeah. Now I have to get back over there. Oh my god. I probably should know that I will end up needing all this wood, but I'm just wasting all this wood because I think I'm not going to need it, but I'm obviously going to need it. With this ouch, with the eye setup, now my statue is complete, except the fact that we need to add something on the hands, or we can just make the hands actually go like this. Does this look nice? Does this look nice? Yeah, it'll do good. Now the only problem is wait. How do I get over there? Hiya. Okay, nice. Can I reach? Yeah, okay, fine, whatever. Oh my god, this is really bad. Okay. I think I don't have to measure how down it goes. I just keep it like this for now. So when you come over here, you can't really see much of the wood except on the neck, right over here. Except on the neck, you can't see much wood. But when you go behind him, obviously it's a massacre. It's like he's pooping wood. Elementary. Now I feel bored in Minecraft. I feel like I need another project, which I can maybe do. Okay, I forgot. So I'm not made diamond armor or diamond tools. I've been waiting to record. Okay, nice. I've been waiting to record all of this. So let's just collect all of this. We're not going to make stone bricks just yet because we don't need it. Okay. So we're gonna need diamonds. Actually I have a lot of wood. But I need axes and stuff to break all the wood that I just placed. Nice. First, we're going to make some diamond armor. Did I make a helmet? I didn't. Helmet, chest plate, leggings. Did I make leggings? Nope. Boots, diamond pickaxe, sword, axe, did I make an axe? Axe, shovel. Okay, full diamond. Now I just realized I did not even make iron armor. I just straight away made diamond armor. That shows how epic I am. No, that really doesn't show how epic I am. I'm just a good old Minecraft noob. Let's store the rest of the diamonds here. Okay, wait. Apple in the axe slot. Okay, wait. Sword. We don't need the sword or the iron pickaxe. We got better ones. Okay, so nice. Okay, now pickaxe, sword, axe, shovel, and then the food. And then there's one slot missing. We're going to cover that slot up with stone because that is the block slot. Yeah. All the blocks all my stone blocks are going to be here. Okay, so nice. So now that we have made a statue of myself, we have made diamond tools and all that stuff. I still need to make an enchanting table too. I need to find a village. I have to do so many things, but I'm just not ready yet. I'm going to break the wood offline because I don't want to bore everyone. I don't know what to do. I don't have a task. I don't have a particular task. I will just run. I could make a farm. Actually, I could make a farm. What food source do I have that can attract any mob? A friendly mob? I don't have anything. I might have carrots somehow. What do I have that can attract mobs? I have nothing. Seriously. Okay, now what should I do? Because I'm serious. I'm seriously freaking bored. Maybe we can. Oh wow! I have a stack of stone blocks. Let's just fill my let's just get all of the stone real quick. Quick. Nice. And okay, now this too. Nice. 56. Both are 56. Cool. Excelente. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 3 stacks and 3 and 14 stacks. What? 3 stacks and 14. Cool. Now I really don't have anything in mind. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to end the episode here. If you guys want more, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. I'm not going to keep a subscriber or like goal. I'll just keep it here. Yeah, so I don't want any subscriber like goals. Just subscribe. That means a lot. And see you all later. Till then.